In the last lecture, we have covered the basic of what is the driver, what is the task, and how that task is divided into the executor. Now, in this lecture, we will cover the job, like how job is divided into multiple stages, and then how that job is divided according to the partition. Let's have a overview. Whenever we write any PySpark code, then when we write the PySpark code and then we apply the transformation can be anything, using the filter function, using the dot group by, anything. But when we are using these function filter or the group by, then only the plan has been created how to execute that job, but that job is not actually executed. That job will come into an action when we apply the action function. What are the action function? Action function can be the simplest example. For example, dot show. Dot show will execute your code, and then it will initialize the job, and that job is divided into the stages. Then after that stages, we have the multiple tasks, and then executors, and final result. So this is the high level overview. Let's deep dive into it and understand how it works. For notes for any code, you can easily visit my GitHub profile, and there you can download the notes. In the simple word, transformation build the plan, action then the plan. For example, you have taken any code and you have initialized any df data frame, and you have applied df.filter. So this is the transformation. df.show is the action. Now cluster manager is where your Spark job will run. In the local system, it is a local. You can run in the Kubernetes and standalone, Wine, EMR. There are multiple options where you can run the job. Currently, we will run our setup in the local job, so in local host. So first part is tag. What is tag? Directed acyclic graph. So it's just like it will the steps, in which steps your job will run. Okay. Usually it is forward facing jobs. There is no loop here. Acyclic means there is no loop. It is without loop. It will run only in the forward direction. And there can be multiple nodes, like you can initialize any other job also using this, or any other tag also. First, any Spark job will initialize the tag, and that tag will be then divided into further steps. Inside the tag we have jobs, stages, and the task. Command which build the tag are, these are the transformation command which I told you earlier. Filter, select, with column, group by, join. These are the transformation commands. What are the action command? That will initialize this with the show, count, collect. You can say tag is the execution plan of any job, which will be executed once we have applied the action function. For example, show. Now job is created once we applied the action function. Action functions are the show, count, collect, take, first, write. For example, when you have done the df.show, then it will initialize the Spark job. Now each action has its own separate job. For example, in the one you have applied the df.count, this will have the job 2, df.show will have the job 1. These are separate now. Okay. Now it is the main thing. The job is the high level thing. But inside the job, how your task has been divided, how the data processing is done, that is controlled with the use of the stage. So let's understand how it works. Let's have a look at the stage part. Don't look at the partition function. So partition first. Now we have to understand the stage. How stage works. You can assume that there is one job. Inside one job, there can be multiple stages. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Now there is one important point. Each stage is the sequential, means first stage 1 will be completed, then only we will move to the stage 2, then only we will move to the stage 3, and then only we will move to the stage 4. That is the main concept here. It is sequential. First stage 1 has been completed, and we move to stage 2, then stage 3, then stage 4. Now what are the partitions? Partition is simple, like we have divided the data into multiple small parts. This we have covered in the last lecture also. Partition are about the data. Stages are about the execution, how we execute the job. So let's have a look here. In this stage 1, we have multiple tasks. Task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. These all tasks will run in a parallel manner on different portion of the data, and that portion is called the partition. Once all the output have been ready, then there is a stage comes shuffle. Shuffle means, for example, you are using the group by function. We are grouping the number of customers using the city. In partition 1, we have 3 Delhi customers and 4 Agra customers. In the partition 2, we have 1 Delhi customer, 5 Agra customer, 1 Chennai customer. So it will reshuffle. It will combine the Delhi customer together and combine the Agra customer together. So shuffle is the step which will arrange your data and arrange your execution according to the common idea. Then stage 2, it will also run in the parallel manner, and again it will arrange the data. If any other stage is required, then again we will do the shuffle. So according to the complexity of the task, we can have the multiple stages. You can say shuffle is the transition point from one stage to the another stage. For notes, you can download the notes from my GitHub profile. Already we have covered the task in the last lecture. Task is the smallest unit. Okay, the job has been divided into each stage, then the task. One partition usually means one stage, one task for a stage. Shuffle means we are moving the data across the partitions. This we have already covered in the illustration. Now transformation versus actions. Transformation means just we are creating the plan using the filter, group by, and with column function. Action means we are running that transformation, running that plan. Let's have an example, working example. First we will initialize the PySpark important parameters. Then after that we will import the Spark session, and then we will give the name it to this and local one. Then local one means we have only one worker. Then we will not use that worker again, and it is a localhost. We will select the data frame, create data frame, this part of create data frame. Then we have applied the filter. Now we have used the show function. This is the, you can say, transformation, action. Now here shuffle will happen. We have multiple cities. We have, for example, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi. Now in one partition we have, for example, Mumbai 100 records and Pune 900 records, Delhi 200 records. In the next partition we have Mumbai 700 records, Delhi 400 records. So it will shuffle your data, and whenever we shuffle the data, new stage has been created. Now explain. Explain will give you the complete structure of the execution. In the execution part, just look at the logs from bottom to top, not to the top to the bottom. First it will scan the data frame, then it will take only those columns which are required. Only which column is city and the amount, so city and amount will be taken. So it is optimizing your Spark job. Then has aggregate means it is aggregating the data set, means it has been created in this stage. Then ascend partition, it is similar to the, you can say, shuffle. And again we are aggregating. You can assume this at the stage 1, stage 2 within the shuffle. Then is this plan finalized? No. This plan can be changed at the time of the action. Whenever we use the .show, this plan can be changed according to the optimization of the steps. You can easily understand each step. I have given the notes here. Okay. For any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.